Hi again, welcome sa aking YouTube channel. At dahil sa hindi ako makapag-antay na sweldo na kasi masyado akong na-stress nitong nakalipas na araw kasi naiisip ko kung paano pagkasyahin ang sweldo ko. So ayun, kanina siningil ko na yung amo ko, buti naman kahit hindi pa katapusan ay ibinigay na yung aking sweldo. So ayun, magpapadala ako kasi ang dami-dami kong iniisip na gusto kong gawin sa sweldo ko. Halos hindi na magkasya sa patutunguhan. Masyado naman maluwang yung kalo ko. Ayan, hindi naman nasa nasa alas 6, mag-alas 7 na pala. Hindi na masyado mainit pero magkakalo ako kasi magbabike ako papunta sa papadalhan ko. Sana malaki naman yung palitan, pero kahit malaki man yung palitan ang mamahal-mahal din naman ng mga bilihin. Actually gusto ko kasing mag-outing yung mga anak ko. Gusto ko makapag-relax sila. Ang swerte din ng mga ang swerte din ng mga bata ngayon. Kasi masyado natin silang ginaspoiled. Ayan, ginawa ko ng salamin yung aking camera. So ayun, patayin ko na yung ilaw ko kay sayang yung kuryente. So ayan, dahil sa hindi tayo magmaneho ng sasakyan ay pagtsagahan natin yung bicycle. Bali bicycle lang ang alam natin imaneho. So ayun, dahil hindi tayo marunong magmaneho ng sasakyan, ay pagtsagahan natin yung bicycle. So ito yung pipiliin ko. So ayun guys, mag-vlog muna ako kaya hindi ako nag-bike muna. Maglakad muna ako habang pupunta sa padalhan. Kasi pag nag-bike ako, hindi ako makapag-vlog, hindi ko kayo makakausap. Feeling ko nga naman may kausap ako habang nag-vlog ako. Ayun, nakakita ako ng kaibigan dito. Hello, sister. Huh? I want to send money. But they're in Phoenix. I want to go to Phoenix. Huh? Yeah, but I want to go there because I want to go also to the wave zone to buy what I need because in Phoenix, very expensive.
Yeah.
And then we want a bit cheap.
Yeah, I know. Right.
Your name is Annabella?
Eh?
Annabella?
My name?
Yeah.
Devi.
No, because there I talked to our neighbor. She's asking me before if I have knowing worker and
No, they don't have that old couple, no.
no. The friend of her once
Where the house?
in Centro, I think.
Centro, oh my goodness.
It's
Centro.
Farsa.
Yeah, it is far away, no.
You don't like?
No, Centro, how can I go?
Yeah, that's the problem.
I like to walking place. Only there villa. I cannot go there. I don't know riding.
You don't know how to do
I don't know riding.
ride with the bicycle?
No, I don't know. Cannot go walking, no. Centro means there in Spanish, no?
Yeah, in Spanish, the big Spanish.
Just you ask them. It's okay. I can tell somebody to.
Because she said that she got she talked to the lady that is working beside of the house of them, and then the tell is she's not really sure. Then I said I have a friend.
You tell her. I can ask. She's my friend. That
Okay.
family is my friend also.
Ask also.
Yeah, I can ask.
It is in our house and the next to our house.
That old couple, no?
Yeah.
Only husband and wife, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
They
will ask.
they have a daughter, but the daughter
Yeah,
of
they
them
have
is
daughter.
studying in UK.
Yeah, she's studying UK.
Eh?
Yeah, I know. That only.
Okay, talk with her.
I will talk. If
Because I was also there. And I give my number. And then because I said I have a friend working like part-time job only because she has a own visa.
Yeah. Me
Then-
also have one visa.
I am telling you
Yeah, about me.
about you.
Yeah,
I am not
Okay.
telling her.
No, I will go and ask her
Oh,
later.
yeah, ask her because
It's okay because
that's the good.
we cannot go. No,
Mm.
maybe not. No need every day. Maybe some days like that. No. I
Yeah,
will
just
ask, yeah,
like
yeah.
that.
Yeah, it's okay. I
Talk
will
with
ask.
her.
Because I am looking now. Only I am working that house. No, I am looking
Only
some
to
other work.
only to her.
Yeah.
Mm.
Later
But
I
before
want,
you have
before I have because my two friends
Client.
going vacation.
Mm.
Then their work I did.
Oh.
Now after that they came back.
Mm.
That's why.
So how's the vacation?
Oh, very busy. Rain and flood and everything. Too much busy. Then my daughter gives
you are
new baby.
Oh.
New baby. Then with her I am very busy.
Mm.
But now coming very sad.
Sad why?
Sad baby, small baby, no.
Oh, you miss
Very
it, huh? Your husband?
No, this is my son, like son.
Oh, I thought your
Yeah,
husband.
my friend. Then I sent message, please send me his money. Before going also, I took from him money. After going also, I told, please send me money. Then he sent me. This is like my son. My son also here now working.
Wow.
By 1 month
It's
only.
good. A tourist visa?
No, he came with a sponsor visa.
How you get the own visa?
One of my friends told me he got from that guy. He told me,
Freelance?
yeah, it's very good, very good. That 9,000 for me 9,500 because I am old, you know. Then for you maybe 8,500 like this. It is very quick. Within 2 weeks they give me everything, ID and everything.
That is 2 years.
2 years,
Oh, that's good.
but no insurance. I want to get insurance. All like that, no giving insurance. Why you are making visa? Because the family going other place. I don't want to go. Then I want to stay the villa because you know this.
The cat, you are taking care of the cat.
Less money.
You love the cat so much.
Now when I am not here,
You
he look after all this. See here, there. See.
You see, if you are here and then all the cat is coming.
Yeah, that is. Who will feed? Nobody will feed. No. Poor.
And then who buy the food of them?
Food one sir giving. One Indian sir next to your two house. They moved before. A small girl, then white dog, you know.
And then they give the...
That's sending every month more than 600.
Oh,
Every
that's
month
good.
when I order food, she's paying money. When we like to now going vacation, somebody going vacation, if they want to feed dogs and cats, if you know, tell me because I like this.
No, because you know, if you love animal, the animal also will will love you too.
10 years they are with me.
When I am rich here in the villa, you are the one who feed the cat.
Yeah, because now this starting 11 here, the villa, this area. That is why I make visa because I want to stay here. Fortunately,
You love so much the cat.
Fortunately, when I make visa, the family coming, then they need somebody to stay there. Then I got that chance.
That's the good also.
They also like.
Yeah.
They have 2 cats. Now
Because
next month they are going.
before I came here, I already hired with the Pakistani people, yani. But not here in the Emirates. I forgot that place near to the Emirates Mall. They are Pakistani. They are already old, but I don't know why they are yani, only first day and then they are saying that I am not suitable to the job there to them. They are very sensitive. So now I need to go now because it's a bit going dark. Hi, Be. Ang init. Magkano na ba ang palitan? Ganyan talaga pag pag sahuran na, bumababa. Bumababa yung palitan pag sahuran na. Doon ako sa doon ako sa Davila sa kabila, sa may Aldea.
Ah, ang layo mo.
Oh, nagbabike kasi ako pag pumupunta ako dito.
Ang layo sa likod din ang bahay ko.
Saan pa lang sa inyo?
Six-one.
Si
Davila din.
Davila din pero.
Unang courtyard.
Mm.
Malapit sa doon.
Nag-uniform kayo? Maganda no pag nag-uniform.
Oo, kasi
Hindi natin nagagamit yung mga damit natin.
saka maluwag pag nagtrabaho ka.
Oo.
Ano nga? Edi salad mo. Ito salad. Sayang naman ang damit. Marurong pa.
Kaya nga, ako naman hindi ako binibilihan ng uniform.
Ano ang mobile number mo? 05?
050-27-39-816.
So ayun nga guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Wayzone at gusto kong talian yung bike kaya baka magtagal ako sa loob baka may tatangay ng bike na to, hindi naman akin. I mean hindi akin yung bike kaya gusto kong talian. Ayan yung tali ko. So ayan, siguro pinag-iisipan ako ng mga dumadaan sa akin. Bakit niya tinatalian yung bakit niya ginakandado yung bike wala naman kukuha niyan. Siyempre gusto lang natin makasigurado. Iniingatan natin yung pag-aari natin mas lalo natin pag-iingatan yung hindi atin. Kaya ayokong masermonan. Nagpawis na ako ang likod ko sobrang sobrang basa. So ayun, dito nga pala ako mag-grocery guys ng mga gusto kong kainin kasi dito medyo mura. Kahit na dito ay medyo malayo din kaya siguro nasa 4 o sobra 5 kilometer ito sa layo sa bahay namin. Ang bibilihin ko lang naman yung mga gusto kong kainin na wala sa bahay kasi hindi ko gusto yung mga pagkain sa bahay. Hindi gusto ko rin pag wala pero pag pag meron naman bakit tayo magtitipid sa sarili natin. So ayun, ano nga yung bibilihin ko? Bibili pala ako ng wala kasing manok sa bahay, bibili ako ng manok. At kukuha ako ng ano ba yung bilihin ko. Pag dito na ako, hindi ko alam kung ano yung bibilihin ko. Dapat pala may basket ako bukas kasi lalabas din ako bukas. Pero mamili na ako ngayon kasi bukas ay ayokong magbitbit ng mga mabibigat. So dahil sa hindi talaga nawawala yung sardinas, Youngstown. Uy, yung kamay ko yung kamay ko ang dumi. Ayan, kailan ba ito ma-expire? Matagal pa, 2016. So ayun, sardinas, may Indomie pa ako sa bahay. May bihon pa ako sa bahay. Tapos ano ba yung wala sa akin? May chichirya pa ako sa bahay pero parang gusto kong dagdagan. Kaya mas mabuti na yung mayroon pag gusto natin kumain. Ayan, bibili ako ng chichirya. Tapos ano pa nga ba? At bibili nga pala ako ng harina kasi minsan gusto kong maggawa ng siopaw. Yung harina sa bahay ay hindi maganda kaya yung harina kasi nila sa bahay ay gluten free. Kaya pag gusto ko gumawa ng siopaw, hindi ko nagagamit yung harina nila. Kaya yan, bumili ako ng harina na ano, plain all-purpose harina. Ito oh. Actually, mayroon sila ditong offer. Nasa 13 dirham lang ito oh. Pero ang problema ko naman ay nakabike lang ako. Tapos ano, mabigat masyado. Hindi ko kasi gusto yung harina nila sa bahay, kaya ano, yung mga tapioca, yung mga cassava flour. So ayun, maghanap ako ng iba na mabili ko na hindi mabigat sa bag ko. Gusto ko nga pala bumili ng manok, kaya gusto kong magbiryani. Ayan, gusto ko rin magpansit. Kailan ba ito ma-expire? So, ayan. Hindi ko masyado paramihin ngayon. Kaya ano, baka matumba ako sa bike ko. Sobrang bigat na, oh.